France has revised down its economic prospects for 2013, predicting negative growth for the first time since 2009. Finance Minister Pierre Moscovici on Saturday said France's economy may shrink 0.1% this year, after predicting 0.1% growth earlier this year. But he predicts a rebound of 0.3% growth in 2014. The International Monetary Fund in June called on France to lower its labor costs and halt tax hikes to boost both growth and its competitiveness. The IMF predicts France's GDP will fall 0.2% this year, after 2 quarters of negative growth. The second and third quarters of 2013 will experience positive growth, Mr. Moscovici said. What is important is that the trend has reversed. I have every reason to believe that 2014 will be the first year of real growth for 3 years. He told a French newspaper that France needs to reduce its deficit but at a pace that does not upset growth. First, in line with International Monetary Fund recommendations, we will reduce public spending. Then by a limited increase in the tax burden of 0.3%, in line with social justice. In June, the European Commission gave France 2 years to trim its budget deficit from 3.7% of gross domestic product at the end of 2012 to 3%. Unemployment in France, the Eurozone's second largest economy after Germany, currently stands at 11%.